Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we have lots of surprises. And here we have Milchan, and her cart is full of surprises. Let's bring them out. Let's get the scanner. We got 2 Easter Shopkins basket. Total is $250. Next customer, please. Another Easter Shopkins basket. Another surprise egg from Disney Delectables. And 1 used purple egg. Let's check how much is the total. $5. Here's your change, $15. Time to open our surprises, starting with the Disney Delectables. Oh, this is super nice. Pink and glittery. Oh, looks like we have a Cinderella ice cream. Let's double check if this is Cinderella ice cream. I see shoes on top. That's right, we have number 3 right here in the collector's guide. We have Cinderella ice cream. You can remove all of it and mix and match with the other collectible ice cream. And this one on top this is the limited edition. The limited edition is Mulan. How perfect it is. Let's put back the Cinderella shoes. Here you go, baby. You have Cinderella ice cream. We have a yellow ice cream, and ooh, this one looks so nice. It's orange and glittery. How cool is that? Let's check what ice cream is this one. We got Snow White. Oh, you see the apple on top? Wow. This is so pretty. Pretty ice cream. There you go, baby. You have 2 ice creams, Cinderella and Snow White. I love the color, the pastel color of spring and Easter. Let's open our main surprise. Ooh, I love this pink ice cream. We have Mulan again. Wow. There we can use the top of the limited edition to replace this one. Yeah. Oh, this is super perfect. Oh, it looks so pretty, much prettier actually. And this one also has glitters on top. You can remove this like that. Super cool. Lots of Disney Delectables in the next video, so you have to stay tuned. Here is our limited edition, not sure. I think it's just an extra ice cream scoop. We get this green. The first one we have was the blue. And our main ice cream surprise. Ta-da! Who is this? It's a nice green Ariel. How perfect! We don't have a double yet. Remember, this is our second video that we're opening Disney Delectables. Look at that sparkly purple star in the top. It's so pretty. I think this is one of the most beautiful ice cream in the Disney collectibles. They're all pretty, but you always have your favorite. I think this is one of my favorite. Ariel ice cream. Oopsie, uh-oh. Tony Topper. Love that pastel yellow color. Very Eastery color. Eastery? Just making my own hoard. Okay, let us proceed to our second surprise. Oh, it won't open. Oh, it feels like it's Googie. Oh, my favorite. She has a chocolate dripping, and on her forehead you can see that pink stripes. Super duper cute. Let me replace one ice cream. I want to put Googie in there. Super cute. Okay, let's open our second Easter Shopkins. This is Shady. It's a hat, a yellow hat. Looks like a dress. A pink cake! Wow, we got a cheesecake. I remember most of my cheesecake before was yellow. I think this is my first pink cheesecake. I feel another Googie. Yep, same color. Oh, same color but different design. Cookie, cookie, very cute cookie. What is this? It's round. We get another hat. It's pink. There you go, baby. You got a hat. I can feel a cake. I think we have another cheesecake. Yep, same color, pink. Finally, we have a double. And I feel that we have another double right here. Let's see if I'm right. Yeah! Now we got two doubles. Let's get our limited edition of Disney collectibles. I think the orange matches the green very well. We can create another piece of ice cream. How is that? Yay! You can also use the blue, but I like the green better to match the orange cone and the pink top, the Mulan. Won't open. Oh, here you go. What is this? My Little Pony. Oh wow! We got My Little Pony jelly beans, and it comes with one figure of Princess Twilight Sparkle. And her wings, it's soft. Wow! This is a nice figure. And let's open the jelly beans. I love the color. It's yellow, red, blue, and lavender. Let's try what is this yellow. tastes like lemon. Delicious. I love jelly beans. There, for our basket is full of jelly beans. Now I can talk because my mouth is full. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, more toys and surprises. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.